The money making method that I'm gonna show you in this video is pretty underrated in my opinion. However, it is possible to earn big amounts of money. For example, thanks to this method, I earned $225 without doing anything extra. And right now, I'm gonna show you how you can do that as well. I've made 2 videos about the Sweatcoin application on my other YouTube channel, which those 2 videos made me 1,873 Turkish liras as ad revenue. But I added my own referral link under those videos and I mentioned those in the videos, and folks who wanted to support me, they signed up with my link, which as a result I earned $225 from that. By the way, 1,873 Turkish liras doesn't make $225. Basically, I made more money with my referral link than I did with the 2 videos. So what is exactly affiliate marketing and how we can make money from this? I will explain the logic of affiliate marketing in a very simple way. There is a product or a service. In my case, that was an application. You take a referral link from those sites or apps and you share these links with other people. When other people go to your link, click on your link and buy that product or service, or in my case that was just to sign up on the app, you make money. Basically, those brands reward you because you promote them. It's not that complicated. For example, when I enter Sweatcoin, from here I can get my own referral link and I can invite people. The same thing applies for Binance as well, or on so many brands, websites, apps. You can do the same thing. And these links make you money. So what do we do after getting these links? How do exactly we make money from this? Now we came to the marketing part from the affiliate marketing. We need to get this link to people, and I know 4 ways for this. 3 of them which are free and 1 of them is paid. Does that look good? I mean, I made it and I'm proud of myself. I mean, it turned out pretty well. What do you think? I think it looks good. The first method is ideal for those who don't want to use their face or voice in the internet, and that is blogging. You can write something on any topic. Of course, it should be related to the topic of the link, because when someone reads that article, he should be or she should be attracted to that thing, so they can click on the link. For example, you're doing affiliate marketing for a sports product. In this case, it should be unwise to write an article about makeup, because sports, makeup, maybe, I don't know. All I'm saying is that someone reading an article about makeup won't be that much interested on buying a sports product. If you want to do affiliate marketing for a sports product, then you should write an article for sports. But how we can create our blog or write an article? A couple months ago, I wrote an article on medium.com. But if you don't want that, it's okay, there are other options too. Like you can use blogger.com, wordpress.org and wix.com. The second method is to share your links on forums or on groups. If you search, you can see that there are forums and groups on every single topic that people go and talk about. Again, you can find suitable forums and groups that you can share your links. Now, how you're gonna enter the chat to an already going conversation is up to you and up to the current situation. Finding forums out isn't that hard either. If you write a topic on Google and add the word forum at the end, there will be a lot of forums. You can also use Facebook to find groups. I mean, there are hundreds of thousands of groups on Facebook and you can use that. So that's not an excuse. The third method is what I and many others do. YouTube. More precisely, producing content on social media. For example, let's put YouTube ad revenue on the side. If you put affiliate links under your videos, as long as your videos continue taking views and the viewers keep engaging with your links, you will continue making money. There's no time limit. It doesn't have to be just YouTube either. It could be on Instagram, it could be on Twitch, it could be on TikTok. It is easier to reach big audiences on TikTok though. Or maybe you can use all of them at the same time. I mean, there's no limit, man. The fourth method is our paid method. By advertising, you can make your link to reach big audiences, to a lot of people. And to advertise, you can use Facebook or Instagram. I also made a video about that on my channel where I tried the exact same thing for 48 hours. I got the referral link from the audiobook page called Audible, and when the people I invited got the free trial version, I would make money from it. And I also used Instagram to give ads. Like I was just giving ads on Instagram pages, they were sharing on stories, on posts and putting my links there. I think this is a good method too. But if you don't want to spend money, that's completely normal. I showed you 3 other ways that are free to do. You can choose them. In short, I think affiliate marketing is pretty important way of making money, and I think everybody should know it. By the way, in this video here, I try affiliate marketing for 48 hours, and if you want, you can watch that video too. So, see you over there. Bye bye.